Hi, my name is Marisa Newman. I'm the Sales Advisor here at Rita Angus Retirement Village in Kilbirnie. Today I would love to show you through one of our beautiful 2-bedroom apartments. Positioned for sun, this apartment has a modern kitchen featuring Fisher & Paykel appliances, gorgeous new composite stone bench tops and plenty of storage. Our open-plan living area is fitted with a heat pump and has stunning views across the village gardens and out to the bowling green. Double glazing throughout will ensure a warm and peaceful environment for your comfort. Make this apartment your own by adding your own furniture and favourite belongings. The master bedroom is spacious and features a double wardrobe. The second bedroom is generously sized and perfect for your family and friends to stay. All of our apartments feature lovely modern bathrooms with tile underfloor heating. As with all of our apartments, your safety is paramount. Our emergency call bells are conveniently located in the master bedroom, bathroom and beside the toilet. These are monitored 24 hours a day on site. Rita Angus Village is conveniently located at the heart of Kilbirnie, an easy walk to local shops and cafes. If you'd like more information, please give me a call as I'd love to show you everything we have on offer here at Rita Angus Village.